Deputy Governor of Osun State. And I stand here to tell you that I am the Deputy State Leader by status. And I'm telling you, standing here, that there's nothing of such of adoption. I am a member of what we call Osun, the elder caucus of Osun. And I expect media houses to do their diligence in things like this before it comes to the public, because these are kind of things that call rancor in trying to do good, execute good projects. In Osun State today, there's no thing like adoption. If there's an adoption, I don't need to see the reason why we're having this exercise. Everybody traveling from Osun to be here. Yeah, everybody sell their market, they make noise, either false or genuine. It's only creating perception. Today in Osun, there's no adoption. Thank you. On the nation, you talk about my relationship with the governor, Alabi. He was my boss for 4 years. And if I'm following the trend of political campaigning in Osun, you will see that I came out last. And why did I come out last? Because I waited for him to say, I am not going, before I can step out and discuss. We have understanding. He said he will decide whether it's going or not. But I have to go out, I can go out. I said, no, if you don't drop the ball, I can pick it. And I waited for him as a mark of respect. I didn't give him pressure to be saying, okay, are you going? Are you not going? A golden fish has no hidden. I know that once I come out, all the small masquerade will go in. So that's why I came out last. I haven't had the confidence of my immediate boss. So we have good relationship. That I want to know. Thank you. On the Vision FM, we talk about performance of present governor. Performance is relative. And I also believe that the media houses hold Nigeria the duty of comparison, analyzing, and also investigative journalism. In Osun today, the only thing you can see that's going on is bridges and roads. What have you done in education? When we are in government, we employ 2,500 teachers. We saw a gap of 7,500, but we said let's do them in phases. We employ 2,500. He came in, he dropped 1,000 of them. Thursday was his 3rd year anniversary. He has not employed a single teacher. So a child that was in a senior secondary school, 2022, as I graduated this 2025, does not have a teacher to teach you. So how do we talk about education? So you can see the gap in that area. We signed an agreement with Oyo State that is governed by PDP for construction of Osogbo Iwo Road to what we call Papa. From Papa is the boundary between Oyo and Osun. Where they take it from there to Iwo Road to create, because that's a major trunk. Signed, commissioned, advance payment made. 3 years down the line, nothing has been done on that road. That road is a road ordinarily to take you from Iwo to Osogbo 30-45 minutes. Then, when it was quite bad, I went to do it like 1 hour. Today, 2.5 hours, you are still struggling to get to where you want to go to. I mean, east from west, where I come from. So I always joke people from Osogbo and say, maybe we should give it to you since it's from Ede, Osogbo and you, they have joined together. Because if you know the importance of that, we have done that. In the health sector, similarly, we engage personnel of our hospitals. They are all relieved. These are welfare to our people. What has he done about it? Bridges, roads. You know what that means in corruption. Thank you. Then we talk about commitment. My mode of suggestion to party about which kind of method of primary district conduct is not my duty to advise. We have people who are scheduled with us duty, and I'm contesting, so I can't be preempting them. But what I want to assure you is that either direct or indirect or concession, I stand tall in the park to be the next governor of Osun State. Thank you.